What's up, guys? Welcome back to RC Voodoo. Today I have an Awanfi portable tire inflator, a little air compressor, and this is from Awanfi, the same company that makes the really nice LiPo batteries that we've all seen and tested. So Jack was kind enough to send me this, and we're going to get it out of the package here, go try it out, and see what we think about it. So let's just get it out of the plastic. .12 volt, goes up to 6 bar, so that is like, I know 2 bar, like 2.1 bar is close to 30 some pounds, something like that. I'm really not very well versed in my pressure. Oh, there we go. Got the cord, got an extra fuse, cord tucks nicely in there. Okay, here's some attachments on the back. This is very compact. Pull the hose out. And you got different attachments up here for like the pumping up basketballs, and this nice little nozzle for like you know, whatever, air mattresses, floats for the pool, anything basically you need to inflate. There's a little bigger nozzle, makes it go quicker, and of course your standard, you know, for footballs, basketballs, all kinds of balls. So if you want to inflate your balls, you got the needle to do it. Okay. And it looks like we have a light on the end. Yeah, I probably should have read the instructions, or at least the manual, or something on the box. You get the operating manual. And we got all different languages in here. And basic stuff. Most people's had some type of one of these before. Quality control card. And your happy not happy. These comes with all Awanfi products. So, alright, I guess the next thing to do is get it outside, hook it up to the car, and see how well it works. Get the hose back in here. Okay, hose, I mean, that's really nice. Tucks right in there. Slim line. Really cool. Alright, well, let's go test it out. Okay guys, we're outside here. I've got it already plugged into the car through the cigarette port, cigarette lighter port, and also notice that you can change PSI, bar to kPa. So if you don't want to try to figure out what the correct pressure that you're supposed to run is, you don't have to, because you can just select. Like, you can select where you want it to go, maybe like the automatic ones. So let's just, I've already drained some air out of this tire. Let's see. Okay, so we're on 28 psi, and this tire needs 32 psi. This can also just be used for a tire gauge, and you know, don't turn it on, just plug it into the car, and then of course hook it to your tire, and you have a digital tire gauge. So okay, so if you're already at the correct pressure, because you can preset your pressure, and if you hit the compressor button, it'll just spin and won't come on because you're already there. So let's go up. So now it's on 33. Alright guys, well there you saw it. I think this is another handy little product from Awanfi. Definitely a keeper. Guess I'll put this one in my wife's car and take mine back finally that she confiscated. So I'll leave a link in the description. Y'all can check this out if you're interested. And once again, I want to thank Jack for sending this to me to do a review on. And definitely happy. Works good, does what it's supposed to do. Can't complain. So that's going to do it. We'll see y'all at the next one. Bye-bye.